Hello, welcome to BMeks Info Channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 things you need to disable or turn off if you must enjoy your system. Please, if any of these tips works for you, don't fail to subscribe to this channel and share your experience at the comments section. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Click OK when that pops up, or just press Ctrl, hold Shift key, and press Escape to bring Task Manager up. When Task Manager opens up, head straight to Startup tab at the left-hand side and click on it. And here you will see the list of all the startup applications that are currently running in your system. These applications boot along whenever you press your computer start button, and most of them have high impacts on your computer startup and performance. So you have to go through them and make sure any one you don't make use of every now and then is disabled. Just follow me on the screen. Just click on any application you want to turn off and right-click on it to disable it. So you have to be sure on which one you don't really need and the impacts it has on your PC performance before you disable such. As you can see, not all the startup applications here are useful, so disable any one you don't make use of always. Then the second thing you have to turn off are the background applications. Go to your Windows search bar, type Settings, and when that opens, just go to the left-hand side and select Apps. Click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. Click Installed Apps, and here you will see so many applications that are installed in your system, and the most of them occupy large memory. You have to search through them. Most of them have high impacts on your system memory. To disable or stop any of them, click on the 3 dots behind it at the right-hand side and then select Advanced option. And from here also, you can find out if any of this application runs at the background, and you can stop them from running at the background. Just go through this, and I bet you some of them are running at the background, and you need to stop them. So from here, you can just go ahead and disable them under the Advanced option like I just mentioned, or just follow what I'm doing on the screen. And for the third thing you need to turn off, you have to go to your settings as you did before. And this time around, you have to select Notifications. And here you have to turn notification off. If it's on in your system, turn it off. You can see so many applications and softwares that I have turned off. By merely turning the notification button off, your system to come alive and will work faster and better whenever you operate it, as these applications will not be popping up every time your system is turned on. And again, for the fourth item to turn off within the same settings, go to the left-hand side and click on Personalization, and then select Taskbar. And from here, you have to turn off Widgets. Turn Widget off. What is the function of this widget? Widget provides instant checks on weather forecast, stock market trends, traffic, sports, and all that, without you opening a web browser. It also displays customized Microsoft Start feed featuring entertainments, photos, and all that. I bet you don't need all that, so you have to turn it off, and that will make your system to really work better. And then for the fifth settings to turn off, head to Privacy and Security under Settings at the left-hand side and click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Make sure to turn off the toggle that reads Send Optional Diagnostic Data if it's on your own. The first toggle already does that, so turn this one off to avoid system performance lag. Send Optional Diagnostics Data. Make sure this is turned off. This option, if turned on, could interfere with your gaming activities if you use your computer for gaming. The sixth thing you need to turn off or disable is in your File Explorer. So go to your File Explorer, click on your File Explorer, and at the top you will see the 3 dots that appears after Filter. At the top you have View, then Filter before the 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots, and from there you have to select View. Click on View and then make sure you uncheck the box down that reads Sync Provider Notification. Make sure that box is unchecked. If it is checked on your own, uncheck it. And finally, let me show you the 7th thing you need to turn off. Go to your Windows search bar, type Settings as we did before, and this time around you have to click on Windows Updates. And from Windows Updates, scroll down and click on Advanced option, and then turn off the box that reads Notify me when a restart is required. Make sure it's turned on if you really don't want any interference while operating your computer. If it's off on your system, turn it on. I am sure with these tips, your computer will perform optimally better this time around. Also, make sure to restart your system to enable these changes you have made.
Once again, we would be glad if you subscribe and like our videos.